today I'm going to be teaching you the basics for Python on a Mac. So actually, I think I made a little PowerPoint. Which one is this? Okay, so
don't mind the background noise.
Yeah, that's just my sister over there. Okay, so I'd not make a tutorial for this. Okay, I mean a PowerPoint. So I'm just gonna teach you without one. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is you have to download Python or whatever editor you want. You have to go to your internet, and go to python.org. Go to downloads and go to Mac OS X or whatever computer you're on. This should work on about any computer. Okay, then if you want to download PyCharm, then you can just go to jetbrains.com. Then scroll down until you see Toolbox app. Push download, then push download on there, and then once you run it, it'll show on here. So I already have PyCharm installed, but I'm not going to be using it. I'm going to be using Sublime Text. So if you don't know what Sublime Text is, it's basically another Python editor, or let's say any programming editor, .lua, .cpp, .c, you can program whatever you on there. Okay, so once you have those requirements downloaded, we're actually ready to write a bit of some code.